What's going on, guys? This is Michael Rock and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you 6 new features and updated functions that have been released with the recent updates. And trust me, some of them are going to drastically improve your user experience on ClassIn. And by the way, guys, if you want to explore all ClassIn features, feel free to check my link down below in the description and you'll get 1 trial month absolutely for free. Alright, so let's dive into ClassIn. The first feature, in my opinion, is a real game changer for everyone who is constantly creating EDB files, because now you don't have to use external apps or websites to remove the background from the images that you use in your EDB files. All you need to do is to add an image to the blackboard, and in order to do that you can just simply drag and drop the image and then click on the menu icon and then click on this icon that represents the background removal. And after a few seconds you'll get an image that doesn't have a background. This feature works pretty well and allows you to don't waste your precious time by removing background on the external websites. Okay, let's move on to the next feature, and it calls the support multiple co-teachers. To be exact, now ClassIn supports setting up to 6 co-teachers in your class. You can invite the co-teachers up to the stage from the roster. Let's check how does this feature work by adding 1 co-teacher and bringing him to the stage. Alright, as you see, I've just added a co-teacher and I've entered to the classroom, but the co-teacher is not appearing here in the camera area. So what do I need to do? I need to click on the roster icon, and here you can see this tab that says co-teachers. So every time when you want your co-teacher to show up in the classroom, you can just click on this stage icon and yeah, the teacher will appear. So, and when you don't need any help from your co-teacher, you can just hide him the same way. So it's a very convenient way to teach with different teachers together, and you as a head teacher will have the full control. And you can add up to 6 co-teachers, as I've mentioned before. The next new feature allows you to finish your class earlier before the scheduled time. So when you're about to finish your lesson, the pop-up window will appear when you're exiting the classroom. So now you can choose exit alone or end lesson for all. And the difference between these 2 options is very simple. After you select end lesson for all, the class will be ended immediately and everyone in the class will be removed and cannot enter again. But if you click on the exit alone button, your students will still stay in the classroom until the timer finishes. Alright, let's explore the next feature, and it calls class file. So the point of this feature is that now class members can upload files directly in the class file. So it means that you as a teacher can create folders to manage class files, making documents sharing more convenient in your class. Alright, so the next feature allows you to drag to change the direction or size immediately after the shape recognition on the blackboard. So what does it mean? Let me show you in this quick example. So before, if I wanted to draw the shape and use the shape recognition function, and then to change the size, I needed to resize it like this. And now it's just easier 10 times, because the only thing that you need to do is to draw a shape first and then continue holding the left mouse button and then just move it like this, so it will resize automatically. So you can do it with any kind of shape. For example, if you draw a square and then you can resize it like this, or maybe a rectangle. Alright, and last but not the least feature is the ability to export your board files as PDF with Optimise settings. Let's export one of my EDB files to PDF and see what has changed. First of all, the course information is added to the first page of the exported PDF file, which includes the class name and time. And also the exported PDF file has a vertical orientation and has a nice white background color, so that is easier for you and your students to read and print the course material. Alright guys, so these were 6 new features in ClassIn, and please let me know down below in the comments which feature do you think is the best and which feature has improved your workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of content, I would really appreciate if you can hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video.